Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Jini. Today I'm going to share with you this fun die cut technique called reverse die cutting that was shared with us in Atlanta at On Stage. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how to get started. Okay, for this technique you'll want your Stamparatus, and I've brought that in, and I am going to lay my stamped right down there in the corner and pick it up with my plate and then pull back. I'm going to ink this up with my Memento ink, and I'm going to slide my piece of cardstock in the corner here. I'm going to stamp. There we go. And I have this piece of grid paper here protecting the silicone sheet underneath because I'm going to need that next. So I'm going to ink up that shoe again and stamp it onto my silicone pad. 1, 2, 3, and lift. And then I'm going to bring this shoe that I've already stamped back in, and I'm going to flip the paper over and line it up with the edges and put that down, and then I'm going to ink the shoe up again. Now it's real important to make sure you're laying that piece of cardstock down straight and not dragging it across the silicone pad. So I have inked it and I've stamped again, and I'm going to lift this up carefully. Voila! I've got two shoes facing the opposite direction. Now these are the two that you're going to want to color and then cut. So let me show you how that looks. Okay, I have colored my shoes with my stamping blend, and here is my die, and I wanted to show you this quickly. I'm going to lay the die over the one shoe on this side and cut it out. Okay, so now you can see that this die will not fit on this shoe, and this is where that reverse die cutting comes in. So we're going to flip this over to where we had stamped that other shoe, and we're going to put it over the top and cut. I've run it through my die cut machine, and I've removed my die here and the cardstock, and all I have to do is flip it over, and two beautiful shoes, one for each foot. It's that quick and easy. So let me show you the card again, and you can find my companion video for this card, and there's a PDF for it if you'd like to make it also. If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.